YouTube! What's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy, G. Kevin Witness. Y'all know the rest. But hey, man, I'm pulling up to a car meet today, man. That's what I'm gonna do for y'all. It's a little pop-up meet, so I'm gonna pull up solo. Well, not really solo, but I'm pulling up out of my normal jurisdictions because I'm going after work, basically. Let's just say that. I gotta get over. But yeah, I'm pulling up out of my normal jurisdictions. I usually don't go to fucking car meets after fucking work. I'll be wanting to go home. It is 9 o'clock. But yeah, I'm gonna pull up there and then show y'all. It should be a couple of my friends there, so I'm gonna pull up with them and we're just gonna show out. We're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna vlog it for y'all because I ain't never showed y'all really me at a car meet. I don't have my watch on today. I feel naked, bro. It's like going outside without your gun. Like, you feel so fucking naked. But for the most part, man, I'm finna just pull up there. I'm not really gonna give y'all like a POV drive of me going there because I don't got a watch on today, so I don't know where the fuck I'm going.
Hey, bro, let me touch your stuff. About to step on your days, bro. Let me touch your stuff. How you been, boy? Mr.
I like how you vlogged without me, though, bro. That's crazy. So now...
You should have popped out.
So now you finna be on my vlog, because that's crazy as fuck that you just vlogged without
Kevin,
me.
this is my wife.
How you doing? I think I met you before, didn't I?
No.
No?
Wait, yeah.
For real?
Yeah, one meet.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. It was a long time ago. When I was still part of their team with the Mustang.
Oh, never mind. I don't know.
You want your nails done?
No, I'm good,
Well, he's
bro.
wearing
That's what you doing now, bro?
Yeah.
You getting flames?
Yeah.
You gonna get flames on here, too?
The shoot flame. You didn't hear me right?
No.
Damn. I ain't shooting no flames.
You not shooting no flames?
No.
I thought you was shooting flames, bro.
I am shooting flames. I'm shooting flames at Walmart.
You going home?
We're gonna go eat. I'm hungry. She's hungry.
You finna go get tacos?
That's racist.
Racist.
Huh?
That's racist. I want some fried
Bro.
chicken. Am I on your vlog?
Yeah, bro.
Since he wants to be racist, we're gonna go get fried chicken. All right.
You gotta get watermelon, too, though.
was? Okay. It's just tough. What is that? A Miata? Right?
That's a Miata, bro. Now, you gonna do a burnout?
Yeah.
I got you. Wonder whose shit finna turn into Legos in the next few seconds as soon as they do that shit. Why your people's getting mad? Look at the car, look at the car, look at the car, look, they mad, they angry. Do a comp. Competition, go ahead. I'm trying to be like Aldo. Boy, what? Boy, what? What? I'm trying to be like Aldo, bro. Fuck these niggas. I'm trying to be like Aldo. How much you wanna bet he crashed? How much you wanna bet he crashed? How much you wanna bet? 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 I swear to God, he go. It's gonna be peer pressure that he go fuck up. I'm telling you. Watch. Look how many niggas are right there. Watch. Look. I told you. Peer pressure. He need to stop it. He need to pack it up. Take that bitch back to where you got it from. All right, YouTube. So I was there for shit. I don't know, probably fucking 30 minutes. I don't know. I did have to fucking use the bathroom, so I'm taking my black ass home. Cause yeah, I'm not finna stay there if I gotta fucking use the bathroom. But I'm on my way home now. I don't know what else I should be able to do. I'm hungry, but I'm not that fucking hungry to a point where I'm like stressed the fuck out about it, like hangry. That makes sense. I did have some Chick-fil-A earlier at fucking work. I don't know, y'all can't even fucking see that shit. That shit funny as hell. I don't know why the fuck I said that shit. Cause yeah. I had some Chick-fil-A earlier. That shit fire as hell. Hey, am I weird? Am I weird for fucking I had Chick-fil-A, right? I had the Chick-fil-A little spicy chicken sandwich, but I didn't have my shit with pickles. Am I weird for that, bro? I'm not weird, right? Like, I just don't want pickles on my shit, bro. Bro, that shit, okay, pause, before I even say this shit. I just want the meat and the bread, bro. Like, pause, like, for real. I just want the meat and the bread, bro. I don't want no fucking pickles on my shit, bro. Yeah, man, for the most part, it was a cool little vibe. Got to see my friends. I don't really get to see my friends that much. And y'all really don't get to see my friends either, because I really don't be vlogging around people. Like, this is really the first time I really, like, not really the first time, but, like, really, like, the first time I really, like, vlogged around people, if that makes sense. Motherfuckers is saying every day of their life is fucking lit. It's not, bro. Don't believe none of these niggas, what these niggas say. Your life is not that lit every fucking day. I don't give a fuck what the fuck no one says. Your life is not that fucking lit every day. You have certain days. You have certain days of your life where it's just lit as fuck, and certain days of your life where it's just bullshit. Like, not even this bullshit, but this boring. Like, everybody is not lit every day, bro. But damn, does everybody, bro, 2024, I see niggas with normal cars upgrading this shit, bro. Is that what they doing now? That's what we doing now? Like, I didn't see everybody with underglow kits now. Like, is they that accessible now? Like, everybody get underglow kits and shit now? Like, let me know, cause I'm confused on why I keep saying everybody with underglow kits. Hey, let me know if y'all want me to go to more car meets, because I don't go to car meets like that. But if y'all want to see me at more car meets and more shit like that, I will happily do that for y'all. Like, I have no problem doing it. Y'all can't tell me I don't got the loudest fucking RT, bro. Like, let's be fucking for real. Let's get serious here. I'm telling y'all, I got the loudest RT in Vegas. I don't think y'all believe me. Let me get in this fucking lane, because all them fucking potholes ain't it. They ain't it. But yeah, man, this is gonna be the end of this video. I will be catching y'all in the next one, and I am out. Peace.
wave shit. Yeah, 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 yeah. Forever, forever the name. New wave shit. We gon' go from Boston.